expect this to happen?
Especially because of rain, we thought we would lose quite a few people, but most people came.
Keep moving.
So in spite of rain, they came with their umbrellas and their rain suits.
When we were talking yesterday meeting, when we were talking yesterday evening at the night at the Ekal, there were speculations, rain or sunshine, people may show up. But we did have a doubt, people will come or not. All the buses came in, people came extra. Let's hear from you. If we decide, can we do it?
Yes, we can do it. We have to be realistic, and we did tell everybody what was the weather forecast, advise them to come with either their umbrella or raincoat or the rain suits, and that's the way they came.
Dr. Parai, let's hear from you now. Since you organized this on the BHP and all the Hindus joined, what is your message to the organization which is on the right-hand side, CNN headquarters in Chicago?
CNN did a very poor job. As an organization, they have a responsibility to be fair, accurate, and balanced. And in this case, this was a person who was very poorly informed, or he did it deliberately. But CNN should have senior editors who should have looked at it. There are 1.5 million Hindus all over the world, ranging from chairmen of various corporations, including USA, doctors, engineers, software professionals, accountants, lawyers, and to try to project 5 Aghori Babas out of the population of 1.25 billion and try to show that this is Hinduism, I think they had the resources available to them if they wanted to do it. So I don't know whether this was a gross negligence on their part or Mr. Riza Aslan was deliberately mischievous trying to use the air.
On a concluding note, what we are asking CNN now, what our demands are?
I think CNN should present another show which is fair and balanced and show what are the positive aspects of Hinduism. After all, it was the Hindu scientist who sent a rocket just a month ago into the space with 104 satellites from one rocket. That was a wow. India has its own nuclear technology. India has its own intercontinental ballistic missile. India has some of the best doctors serving all over the world. So we have the top scientists, top engineers, top educated people. Why not show them? Why are you trying to show 5 people who are the most weird and grotesque people in the world and trying to show that that is Hinduism?
Where we take from here now?
We have requested the CNN people to have meetings, and I understand that a lot of other Hindu organizations in other parts of the country have done so too. Obviously, we'll have to write a letter to the government as far as the Broadcasting Commission is concerned, whether this was a fair thing on part of CNN, because this was not a news item, this was a special report. So I think we'll take it up at different levels with CNN.
Thank you so very much. Wish you all the best and good luck. CNN headquarters on our right-hand side, and we are seeing the Lincoln statue on another side of it. And the community came and showed CNN. We will not take it. We can see them.
CNN! Boycott! CNN! Boycott! CNN! Racist! CNN! Racist! CNN! Racist! CNN! Racist! CNN! Racist! CNN! Racist! CNN! Hitler! CNN! Hitler! CNN! Hitler! CNN! Hitler! CNN! Down with! Down with! CNN! Hate you! Down with you! Hate you! CNN! Go to hell! Fake news! 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 Boycott! CNN! Boycott! CNN! Boycott! CNN! Fake news! CNN! Fake news! CNN! Fake news! CNN! 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 Shame on! CNN! Shame on! CNN! Shame on! CNN! Shame on! Shame on! Shame on! CNN! 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 CNN!
Lincoln, the honor for all of us Americans. And in front is the Trump Plaza. On our right, we can see the CNN headquarters. And with me is Dr. Shamkant Seth, President VHPA Chicago. Dr. Shamkant, we welcome you to TV Asia. Let's hear from you why we are here today around this morning, a wetty morning, but I'm just seeing the people, the buses, the loads coming.
We are here to protest the air show organized by CNN, March the 5th, Believer. It was narrated by Aslan. The community is outraged. The way he projected the Hinduism, Hindu community of India. We are about 2.5 million Hindus living in this country here. Peace-loving community. And by projecting Hinduism on CNN, which is the grossly evil work done by Aslan also, and it is gross mistake by CNN to broadcast this show and watch the public at large. They have to watch this show. We requested CNN not to broadcast this show, but they went on their way anyway. This Razan Aslan, he claims to be a Hindu religious, not Hindu but religious personality, which he is not. He is a sociologist by his own profession. And he went to Banaras, he said, saw about 4 or 5 people, Abor is what is called, which is not known. Hindu people don't practice that. I do not understand why did he show that kind of a thing when Hinduism has offered his whole world so many things. One of the important things is spirituality, yoga. Hinduism is really spreading without doing anything, but people like Islam and CNN, they are downgrading. Their moral is not good, their motto is not good, and that is the reason even in this rain, all these 400, 500, 600 people are coming to protest against CNN not to show this in the future.
Can you believe it? Like, it's been raining since morning here. The temperature is dropping. It is cold. People have come here with their raincoats and people are here with their umbrellas. But I think it is so much important for them to show it to them. Dr. Shamkant ji, on a concluding note, would you please tell me what we want from CNN?
Actually, we want CNN to stop broadcasting. We need an apology to the Hindu community of America, where 2.5 million people are staying here, and they should give us some time where Hindu intellectuals can come on the show and they can talk about what Hinduism is all about.
Very loud and clear message that they have it for you. We wish you all the best, sir. Good luck. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you very much, Vandana ji. Thank you.
बीजेपी आपसे जानना चाहते हैं कि आप भारत से आए, आपने कल एड्रेस किया था डायस्पोरा को, आज ये देख के आपको कैसा महसूस हुआ?
मुझे खुशी हो रही है कि जो हमारे NRI बंधु यहाँ पे रहते हैं वो जागृत हैं अपने संस्कृति के लिए, अपने राइट्स के लिए, अपने देश के लिए। और जो CNN ने किया वो बिल्कुल गलत किया। उन्होंने जो भारत का संस्कृति है, जो हिंदू की संस्कृति है, उसको गलत ढंग से प्रस्तुत किया। हम उसका विरोध करते हैं और मैं सभी NRI बंधुओं को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। वो लास्ट नंबर में आए और वो शिकागो में उन्होंने लास्ट नंबर में आके दिखाया। जो US में हिंदुओं की एकता है, वो एकता बनी हुई है और हिंदू किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को, किसी भी संस्थान को ऐसा नहीं करने देंगे जो हिंदुओं को डिफेम करे और हिंदुओं की इमेज को खराब करे, चाहे वो CNN हो चाहे कोई दूसरा हो।